Well, g'day guys, welcome back to Down Under Dubs. And as promised, this is our video for the V-Dub Bash down there in Bellingen. So we're first stop, bus behind me. We're at Chindera, just waiting on our mate Das Customs, you know. So he's cruising in his bus too, him and his wife. So this is our first meeting stop. Wait for him, and then yeah, we'll make the convoy down to Bellingen, down to the V-Dub Bash and check it out. And hopefully this beautiful weather behind me stays like this, and we could be on for a good weekend. So anyway, come along for the ride, guys. Stick around. Let's have a bloody good weekend. And yeah, welcome back to Down Under Dubs. You. Right, safe travels. Well guys, we made it. All the way from the Gold Coast down to Urunga. And she's a good little spot. Busting, oh jeez. The old bus didn't miss a beat. Let's go for a bit of a wipe over, get all the road shit off it and whatnot. But yeah, happy days, there's our cabin. Well actually, there's our cabin. But yeah, we made it, we made the drive down, we're on. Weather looks good. Hopefully it's gonna be right tomorrow. I'll spin these around so you guys can have a look what we've got going on here. The mighty bus. Ran like a dream. Now I've got nothing in it. The back's not so bad, but I tell you what guys, with it, with 3 kids in there and all your stuff, mate, she was squatted down, and I think I'm gonna have to raise it up a little bit before we go back on Monday. So we're down here for, I can hear a Volkswagen where we're staying. There's a few V-Dubs staying where we are, which is cool. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, we're down here for a few days over the weekend here, a long weekend down here in New South Wales for us. And yeah, we're gonna be off to the Bellingen show tomorrow, the V-Dub Bash, and yeah, let's go see what the fam's doing. Ew. Well, g'day guys, here we are, down at Bellingen, and dubs are rolling up already. How bloody good. I tell you what, it's freezing cold, but I think we're gonna have a cracker day. I don't know how all these campers have done it. We've been staying in a cabin all night where it was nice and warm, and these guys have just got their fires going there, but props to them, good on them. I'm sure boys are lined up, ready to go. I think we're on for a good day here, team. I think we're on for a bloody good day. if you know, you know, this bus, pretty cool drag bus this guy from Queensland, Jake. Yeah, what a rad looking thing. This has got to be some fun going for a rip down the strip in that, right? Crazy, how good. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that, because we certainly did. We've had a cracking weekend down here, and yeah, what an awesome turnout. Just want to say thanks to Amanda and everyone else that helped organise the show. Talking to everyone was stoked like how cool it was, having it at a new place. But yeah, just want to say a big shout out to you guys, followers, subscribers that come up and said hello. It was great meeting you guys. Really, again, just, you know, it gives me heaps of inspiration when I hear feedback from you guys saying you love the videos, and it makes it worthwhile, you know, and you enjoy seeing, you know, Australian Volkswagen scene, the community down here. You know, the guys that live in Australia are really enjoying that, so that's cool. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Really appreciate you. And with that being said, guys, we'll leave you there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.